Oh, you couldn't even see what I was taping up. See there? I've just taped it up and I apologize. So now what we'll do is I'm gonna pop the seal off, feed the cable through there. Ding 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 ding. Take the seal off or don't. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come off. So seal off, and now where's my cable? And we'll feed this cable along the top all the way to there. We've gone that pretty far. Look at that. Right. Wow. Where the hell is it? Oh, I see. I see you. Let's hook her up with the hook. Oh. Right, Kush, got it in. Got it in. That is in. Now, actually, bloody need to order some tester tape because I've got none just about left. Well, all I've got left is probably gonna do me today, and that's it. And that is not good. I need to get some more. Let's attach this thing. Actually, like that, and hopefully we'll be able to pull this thing through now. Yes, with a little bit of persuasion, she's come through. That is mint. Cable ties this thing here. Like that. And now I need to continue to feed the cable, so let's go to the back. Let me bring this to the back, and to do so I'm gonna have to remove that panel there. This one here. How does it come off? It goes off. Oh, there's some room in there. And now I'm gonna feed me cable back again through there, inside there. So, so this goes just like that. Just like that. So then we will feed this thing in through here. So now, well, yeah, unfortunately this is gonna be a bit short. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can find something to extend it instead of cutting it, because I don't really need to have that much of it. Not that much of it, probably about 1.5 meters. Probably need about 1.5 meters of the cable. Because camera is only that much, and the camera is going to be somewhere here to there. So basically I need about, yeah, 1.5 meters of the extension. That's what you're gonna need. Right, I'm gonna stop this thing for now. I'm gonna go and see if I can find something, even a single RCA thing, whatever is gonna do me, as long as I can extend it that little meter off. So yeah, and it actually works out better, because if I'm not feeding this part through there, this red cable here is reverse trigger. So, well, it still needs to go to the camera anyways. Well, either way, but in a way it's still really here, because we will be getting feed from this light here, from the reverse part here, and running it up. This cable is just up here. So yeah, no problem. Right, let me go and find this extension thing, and we'll crack on from there on. Alright, so basically I found the extension. Basically this is going to be it. Under the cable, I'm going to tape it up, but not just now. Well, to be fair, this doesn't really matter, but I'm going to go just tape it up, get it out, so it's not really in. And obviously I've got the extension for the power for this stupid camera itself. So that's that. We'll tape this thing up, and so it doesn't come loose, just in case or whatnot. You never know. It's bloody car electrics. All sorts of unknown things happen. at unexpected times. So this is it, and I actually don't need it to be that long now anymore. So because my extension cable is quite long, I'm just going to cable tie it to the existing wiring harness that going in there, and all the power should be fine going from there. Let's see, from there, and then it goes all the way to here. So yeah, all the power splitters as well, like I said, because I'm gonna be attaching the sensors, so the sensor box is gonna go here as well. So that's that. All the connections and whatnot. So I'm gonna sort it all out. I'll show you what's going where. So I'm gonna quickly cable tie this to the side. Like that. And now I can bring this cable into here. Come on. Where are you now? I need to go get my single hole 0.75 mil cable is what you want for pulling things like this through the trunk ends and another bit. So what the hell are you? Where the hell is it? Oh, it goes inside there. Right. Oh, this will go through there. Right, so we'll have to send it. Well, that's alright. So feed the cable in. And actually I'm gonna send this wire to the power side, because it still needs to go through there as well. So let's send this one trunk in here. So that's here. Power, I don't know where it's going to be, but it's going to be somewhere here. So let's see. Give it a bit of extra. So this is what we have. Booyah! Oh good. Let's pull this thing through as well. So perfect. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So what we need to do now is oh sorry you didn't see it a lot there, but so now we have to pull this plastic off, and obviously I need to feed the basically you pull these off. Right, so you pull these off when you get these plastics off afterwards, because that's where the sit inside there. It's the same as for this side. I need to get this plastic off. Might as well stuff it back in already so it goes through that part in there. But oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Alright, whilst I'm at it, I need to send another cable. Right, I'm gonna pull this through from one side and I'm gonna pull another cable through the other side. Right. So you feed these cables through now through this trunking, and should be an easy task because it's quite big. There's not a lot of cabling going on, so hopefully I will be able to pull this one through. Well, I'm gonna have to somehow. If not, I'm gonna have to cut it. But let's hope that I don't have to cut anything. So, oh shit. That's why I'm gonna put some tape over it and put some Vaseline so it goes through easier. Vaseline is good for places like this because it's not damaging your cables, and it's easier to get things through. Oh God, so this cable I want it to be longer because I want it to go through last, and this thing needs to go here like that. Just a little bit of tape on the end so it doesn't come apart. That way it's definitely gonna stay. It's definitely gonna stay in there. So let's pull this stuff through like that. As you can see, success. Right, success. Hopefully this works out and I don't damage anything. Yay! Happy days! Didn't even need the Vaseline. So this can be pulled through properly. Oh shit. I knew it was going to bloody happen. Oh, then pulling cables back in. Where you know? Where did you go? Oh, Jesus, thank God. Got it back. Happy days. And now I need to pull this cable back through. And that is one way of putting this cable through. Well, I'd say this is the only way how to pull this cable through. So now I need to take this off, take all this plastic bit off, not all of it really, just the bottom part of things. So don't need to take, oh no, oh yes, to take the bottom part you need to take the top part off, so everything's coming off basically then. You little shit. So that's all in, that should work perfectly fine. Might as well just put these plastic thing back in and put this trunk and back in its rightful place, because I do not, oh no, I'm talking crap, I forgot. I do apologize. I'm doing one step ahead for the reverse camera. Sorry, for the reverse sensors. And well, basically, no, I'm gonna leave this off because I need to feed this little screen that goes on there for the reverse camera sensors. But that's gonna be in another video if I want to see the reverse part, how it goes, the sensor part, how it goes in and out. I'm gonna leave this off for now. I'm not gonna be putting this back on, to be fair. Probably could put it back on, but doesn't matter. Don't need to do it right now. So what we'll be doing now is we'll peel this plastic off. Peel this plastic off like that. And now we need to peel this part off. Is there anything that's stopping it from going? No, it doesn't look. Looks like it's all these clips. Probably looks like it's all on the clips, isn't it? Yeah, should be all on clips. A lot of clips. Like that. And then obviously this light, and that is this off. You keep these plastic, you keep these, while the four, and these are for here. Like here. Right, and there was another one somewhere. Alright, the other one is on here. I'm gonna put you back over here where you belong. So that came off easy. All the tabs have stayed in there, apart from one obviously. Never mind, that's all fine. We'll pop them all off later this when we put it all back together. That's when we are putting it all back together. So now take off this sticky-ish thing. Like that. That will go back, but not just yet. Not just yet. And then that will feed in this wire to, yeah. Right, cool. So what we need to do now is we need to now feed the rest of the power and the RCA cables through into the coating.